St. Margaret's Eve it did befall. The waves are all so gaily o'er. The tide came creeping up the wall, loving me true. I opened my gate, who there should stand? The waves are all so gaily o'er, but a fair lady with a cup in her hand loved me true. The cup was gold and full of wine. The waves are all so gaily o'er. Drink, said the lady, and I will be thine. Love me true. Enter my castle, lady fair. The waves are all so gaily o'er. You shall be queen of all that's there. Love me true. A grey old harper sang to me. The waves are all so gaily o'er. Beware of the damsel of the sea. Love me true. In hall he harped with many years. The waves are all so gaily o'er, and we will sit his song to hear. Love me true. I love thee dear, I love thee true. The waves are all so gaily o'er, but I know not how to woo. Love me true. Down dashed the cup with a sudden shock. The waves are all so gaily o'er. The wine like blood ran over the rock. Love me true. She said no word but shrieked aloud. The waves are all so gaily o'er, and vanished away from where she stood. Love me true. I locked and barred my castle door. The waves are all so gaily o'er. 3 summer days I grieved sore. Love me true. For myself, a day, a night. The waves are all so gaily o'er, and to more that lady bright. Love me true.